Okay guys, here's how you can set a live wallpaper as a background of your iPhone 15. So how can you set a live wallpaper on iPhone? Now, at first what you have to do and the way that it works is that the live wallpaper is going to be consisting of the live photo. So at first what you have to do is to have some kind of live photo ready. So as you can see, I have, when I hold down on the image, it actually moves, so it's nice and looking good. If you don't have it, of course, just open up the camera like that. Make sure that you have the option turned on for live photos and just capture the picture as usual, or just capture something which is going to be the live photo and live animation. But once you have it, just go to the gallery like that and just click on a share icon. So once you click on share, we want to make sure to set it as a wallpaper, so click on use as wallpaper and you will get to this section. So this is what it looks like. You can swipe between the styles and everything, but as you can see, an actual pop-up which I just got is try this photo with motion. Bring your lock screen to life every time you wake from sleep. So this little icon at the bottom is representing the live photo icon. It's the same one which you also have in the camera. So if you click it, it's looking like that. So you can play the animation. You can see that it's just going over and over. I believe that this kind of stuff is looking really nice because it's subtle. You can only see the water moving, but it's not like a huge movement. And it's still there. So I like this type of wallpaper. So I'm just going to click on add like this. And I'm going to, let's say, set wallpaper pair and not play with anything. Right now, if I swipe down, you're going to notice that you will be able to get or see the movement, especially when you unlock your device. You can see that if I lock it and unlock it, just notice the water right there. So you can see that it just moves a little bit. This is the subtle effect that we were going after. So this is how I can set live wallpapers on iPhone 15 or basically any iPhone. But to show you that yes, it indeed runs iOS 17, so you can open up the settings like that and you can see that the iPhone is up to date, or it's the 17.1.1 is being downloaded, but I'm running like an older version. So yeah, this is that. And if you want to know more about your iPhone, I highly recommend you to check out the link down below in the description. It is a free educational platform called Foxtecc, where you can watch some different courses and materials for free. For example, I just finished the Dynamic Island full course, which goes in depth of all the features and all the most popular third-party apps and tricks and wallpapers, everything you need to play with. It's available there for free, so go ahead and join it right now. I will wait for you inside. Thank you very much for watching for now. See you guys later in the future Foxtecc tutorial.